The G20 presidency is bringing people from around the world, from 20 countries, plus 10 guest countries. And yes, the leaders will be talking politics, geopolitics, but it gives us an opportunity to showcase our country. Tourism is showing them what the beauty of the country, the culture, the heritage, everything that we've got. So we have put together tourism packaging so that the delegates can come before the conference and they can even stay behind to explore the beauty of our country. And as we welcome them, the contribution to an inclusive economic growth, for every 12 tourists that come to our country, we create one job. So the G20 is helping us to grow the numbers and to create more jobs. As part of the G20, because it's the first time on African soil, the president said we should leave no one behind. So all the ministers, we are coming out to the provinces where we are going to host our ministerial meetings. And we're here in Mpumalanga and we've engaged with all 3 districts. And then we allow people to ask us, we tell them what the G20 is about, the opportunities coming from the G20, what role they can play, and then engage with them. So it's a community outreach, so that when the actual leadership summit is taking place in November, the whole country, everybody will be informed about the G20. Well, today we are really here to put emphasis on the beauty and the deep cultural history of the Ndebele nation. And therefore we will be visiting also Mama Esther to showcase, just what this part of our country is all about. And the message I want to leave behind for the community is that this G20 is meant for everyone. We should exclude no one. We should, when the whole world come and visit us, we should put our best foot forward and welcome them warmly to our country.